Chicken Nihari is a slow-cooked, spicy stew packed with vitamins and minerals that can give your immunity a serious boost. Join us as we guide you step by step on how to recreate this flavorful dish in your own kitchen. We will start by preparing your own homemade Nihari Masala. In a dry pan, toss in 1 bay leaf, 4 to 5 dry red chilies, a stick of cinnamon, 2 black cardamom pods, 1 star anise, half a nutmeg, 1 large piece of mace, a few cloves, whole black peppercorns, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, and fennel seeds. Over low heat, toast the spices until they release their aromatic fragrance. Once toasted, let the spices cool completely before grinding them into a fine powder. To this spice mix, add dry ginger powder or salt, turmeric powder, and generous amount of Kashmiri chili powder. This combination gives the masala its signature vibrant color and bold flavors. Mix everything thoroughly and you have a homemade Nihari masala that's bursting with authentic flavors. Then, to cook the gravy, heat 1 cup of refined oil in a heavy bottomed pot. And yes, this dish needs generous amounts of oil to create the rogan or the flavorful oil that rises to the top after cooking. Once the oil is hot, add finely sliced onions and fry them until they turn golden brown. Then remove a spoonful of these fried onions and set them aside for garnish. Then lower the heat and add ginger paste and garlic paste. Fry this for 2 minutes until the raw aroma goes away and the oil is infused with beautiful flavors, which is the soul of your Nihari. Add in bone-in chicken pieces which we have cut into large portions. We are doing this because we are gonna cook the chicken for a long time and we want the chicken to enhance the gravy and the bones to flavor the Nihari. Fry the chicken over high to medium heat, turning occasionally until golden brown. This step is very important as it helps lock in flavor and makes the chicken incredibly tasty. Next, sprinkle in the Nihari masala you had made earlier. Think of the masala as the vitamins and minerals that will boost your immunity and Nihari as the tasty way of consuming this guilt-free. Coat the masala on the chicken evenly and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Pour in generous amount of water. Remember, Nihari is a stew, so you will want plenty of gravy. Scrape the sides and the bottom of the pot to make sure no masala is stuck to it. Bring the gravy to a boil and season with salt to taste. Lower the heat to a gentle simmer, cover and let it cook for about 40 minutes. Then, tilt the pot and carefully ladle out the rogan or the fragrant oil from the top. Set it aside for garnishing later. Now, to thicken the gravy for the Nihari, in a separate pan, Heat a teaspoon of ghee. Add 3 teaspoons of whole wheat flour or atta. Cook until the raw smell disappears. And then gradually add water to create a smooth slurry. Slowly pour the slurry into the nihari while stirring continuously to avoid lumps. You will notice the gravy thickens as it simmers. Cover and cook for another 5 minutes to get a meaty, flavorful gravy. Just look at this thick gravy and the meat is falling apart. Garnishing your nihari will make all the difference. Sprinkle the fried onions. Add chopped green chilies along with some freshly chopped coriander leaves and juliennes of ginger. Drizzle the rogan which we had taken out. Finally, serve with a wedge of lemon to brighten the flavors. And there you have it, a rich, luxurious nihari, perfect to be paired with a naan or paratha.